Hello friends! Welcome again to my channel, Adventure Style. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to smash that notification bell for you to be updated of my next videos or activities. Hello friends, this moment I just want to share to you this activity of mine. Chuuk High School slogan making contests. Under my advisory, I am Mr. Novo Sabas, and I taught my students on how to make slogan. And now let's witness them and of course their work, posters, and how they formulate with our theme, Drug Awareness Campaign. And I just want to extend my thanks to my invited judge, one of the best teacher, friend of mine, and thank you, Mr. Rolly Alvaro, for your presence. And thank you, my friends, and let us witness this activity, these posters from my students. Okay, my friends, let's start reading their slogans. Don't let drugs take over you. Another one here. Don't get high, stay in Chuuk High. Don't let drugs into your family. Don't let drugs into your family. I choose to be drug-free. I choose to be drug-free. This documentation, my friends, I hope that this will help our children, and of course a lesson for all of us, and it's helpful to the community. You are beautiful if you don't get drugs. Be careful with drugs. Drug can take your knowledge. Be careful with drugs. Drug can take your knowledge. Quit drugs. Choose life. Quit drugs. Choose life. Dream big, no drugs. Dream big, no drugs. Save your life. Don't take drugs. Save your life. Don't take drug. Don't let your life go up in smoke. Don't let your life go up in smoke. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. Say yes to life. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. Drugs aren't cool. They make you look like a fool. Drugs aren't cool. They make you look like fool. Don't let the drugs force your mind. Don't let the drugs force your mind. Don't let drugs drag away your dreams. Don't let drugs drag away your dream. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. You are beautiful without drugs. You are beautiful without drugs. Drugs-free campus. Drugs-free campus. Respect yourself. Be drug-free. Respect yourself. Be drug-free. And now, my friends, Mr. Rolly Alvaro is now done, and let us wait for the final result. So he chose 4 posters. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's witness the first, second, third, and fourth of this slogan making contests. Say yes to life. Say no to drugs. That's the first place. Second, you are beautiful without drugs. Third, drugs-free campus. And the fourth, respect yourself. Be drug-free. To my students, congratulations to all of you, and of course to the group with slogan, say yes to life, say no to drugs. Again, congratulations. Until next time. Bye-bye.